guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You need to try this cucumber and sugar. First, you need to peel up your cucumber and then wash it. First, cut it and wash it. You wash it 2 times. And next, you're gonna do is put some sugar. How many scoops you want, that's all. And mine, I have, how many scoop is that again? 1 scoop, because it could taste too sweet and not be healthy. So, try it at home. Talaga, my chopsticks are so bad. Again, my chopstick was good. Try it. Good. And you're gonna do is mix them all with your hand and wash. So, yeah, that's what I did. It's so sweet. Try it at home. I can't stop eating it. So good. By the way, our house is not done yet because it's so big. So, bye.